That's why it'll never work. You have me suicidal, suicidal.
Feeling mo kasing ganda mo yun?
Oo naman. Halos pareho lang kami.
Beautiful girl, they only wanna do you dirty.
Ang ganda naman.
Ang ganda talaga, promise.
Suicidal, suicidal when they say it's over.
Tingnan mo yan. Oo nga eh. Ganda nung...
She may be the face I can't forget, the trace of pleasure or regret.
talaga?
Maybe my treasure or the price I have to pay. She may be the song
Ilan taon na kaya siya?
summer sings, maybe the chill.
Huwag mo pa magpapalat ang rush mo, ha?
100 different things within the measure of a day. She may be the beauty or the beast, maybe the famine or...
Hello! Anong mga names? My name is Angel.
My name is Mariko. Ako po si Mia.
And we are the Mistress. Bakit Mistress? It's spelled as M-I-S-S-T-R-E-S. Mistress!
Okay, yeah.
Okay, bongga. Miss Uno.
Miss
Miss
Una.
Dos. Mistress!
Yes.
Okay.
Si Miss Una's pretty.
Salamat po.
Sige, good luck, girls.
Thank you.
Spy on me, baby, you satellite. Think you will see me move through the night. Aim gonna fire, shoot me right. I'm gonna like the way you fight. Now you found the secret code I use to wash away my lonely blues. No, I can't deny a lie, 'cause you're the only one to make me fly. Sex bomb, you're my sex bomb. You can give it to me when I need to come along. Sex bomb, you're my sex bomb. And baby, you can turn me on. You can get more when I count on the floor. You can turn me upside down, inside out.
Pang Regal Soccer, Pinoy trailer.
And I can give it to you anytime it gets your mind. Sex bomb, you're my sex bomb. You can give it to me when I need to come along. Sex bomb, you're my sex bomb. And baby, you can turn me on. Woo, baby, you can turn me on. Hey, yeah. Baby, you can turn me on.
Luis loves it! Someone's getting their numbers.
Mistress, ang gaganda nyo pero pang bakulaw ang mga boses nyo.
Salamat po.
Hindi, ang maganda kasi it's not just a gimmick. You have true talent.
Thank you po.
It's really a big surprise. I was kind of expecting you to be singing a female voice. But ang ganda ng surprise nyo.
Salamat po. Salamat po.
You blew me away. Yeah.
Blew me away!
Talaga, boss, ha? Kanino ka naman na-blue? Kay Angel. Correct. Okay, ako siyempre, yes. Ako rin, yes. Yes, I can blow you away.
Then it's a big yes.
Thank you so much po.
Bongga!
Bye, mga pare.
Salamat po.
Inuman tayo, mga pre.
Thank you.
Ganda.
Pakulaw daw kasi mga boses natin, sabi ni Miss Aya. Alam mo naman ang mga terminology nun, no? Pero totoo, maraming salamat.